11th question. In the question they have given that ABC is a isosceles triangle. ABC is a isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC. They have given AB equal to AC and AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC and also they have given that EF is parallel to AC. EF is parallel to AC. Okay. Parallel ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ 11th question. In the given question they have given that ABC is an isosceles triangle and AB is equal to AC, AD is perpendicular to BC, then EF is perpendicular to AC. What we need to prove here? We need to prove that triangle ABD similar triangle FEC or ECF. Triangle ABD similar triangle ECF. Let us consider triangle ABC is isosceles. Correct? Spelling is no. Isosceles, right? Triangle ABC is isosceles. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Angle B is equal to angle C because angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. These are the angles opposite to equal sides. Opposite to AB is C. Opposite to AC is B. So angle B is equal to angle C. Understood? Angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. Therefore angle B is equal to angle C. Next, also consider triangle ABD and ECF. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, what all are equal here? Angle ABD or angle B is equal to direct angle B is equal to angle C. Number 1 already proven. Equation number 1 from equation number 1. Next angle EFC. Angle EFC is equal to angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree because it is a given thing. Correct? By A similarity criterion triangle ABD similar triangle ECF. Hence question number 12. In the question they have given two triangles. One is triangle ABC, another triangle is PQR. In triangle ABC, AB is proportional to triangle PQR, PQ. That is AB is proportional to PQ. Then BC is proportional to QR. AD is proportional to PM. Therefore, we can write it as AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AD divided by PM. This is the given thing. Correct? You can also take it as equation number 1. What we need to prove? We need to prove triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. To prove that, what we need to have? We have already AB is proportional to PQ. One side is proportional. BC is proportional to QR. Second side is proportional. And What we need to prove here? Angle B is equal to angle Q. To prove that, what we need to take? Triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Let us consider triangles ABD and PQM. In triangle proof. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM. AB divided by PQ is equal to what? From equation number 1. From equation number 1. From equation number 1. AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AD divided by PM. Correct? Multiply numerator and denominator of middle term by 1/2. Multiply the middle term only. Then what you get? AB divided by PQ is equal to half of BC divided by half of QR is equal to AD divided by PM. AB divided by PQ is equal to half of BC BD, half of QR QM. BD divided by QM is equal to AD divided by PM by similarity criterion triangle ABD similar triangle PQM. Correct? Triangle ABD similar triangle PQM by CPST, by CP corresponding parts of similar triangle. Angle B is equal to angle Q. What we got now? Angle B is equal to angle Q. Now let us consider the bigger triangle. Let us consider the triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. Correct? BC divided by QR from equation number 1. Next, angle B is equal to angle Q. Correct? By similarity criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence, proved. This is the solution. Right. Thirteenth question. In the given question, what they have given? In triangle ABC, D is a point on BC. D is a point on BC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Angle BAC. These are the given things. What we need to prove? We need to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. Correct? To prove this, we need to take two triangles. Yes or no? But there are three triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle ADC and triangle ADB. Okay? To consider which are those triangles, we need to split the to prove one thing or to prove thing. CB into CD. CA square can be written as CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. Okay? Then CA divided by CB is equal to CD divided by CA. Now we can consider the triangles. What are those triangles? CA. Where is CA? In bigger triangle. Where is CB? sorry, in smaller triangle, what is that triangle? ADC. From ADC triangle we need to take what? CA or AC. Then in bigger triangle what we need to take? CB. Correct? CB. Next, in smaller triangle what we need to take? CD. In bigger triangle what we need to take? CA. Correct? So what are those triangles now? In triangle ABC and in triangle ADC. Let us consider the two triangles ABC and ADC. Proof in triangle ABC. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಪ್ಪ? ABC ಅಂದ್ರೆ BAC ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ CDA ನಡೀತದೆ. ಏನು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೆದು ನಡೀತದೆ. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Correct? This is the given thing. Or either angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. From triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Next, in both triangle we will be having what? C as common angle. Therefore, what we can write? ACB. Angle ACB is equal to angle ACD. Angle ACD. What is this? Common angle. By AA. Angle. Similarity criterion. Triangle ABC. Similar triangle ADC. By CPST. By corresponding parts of similar triangle. What we can write? By CPST we can write it as CA divided by CA means the hypotenuse of smaller triangle. CA divided by hypotenuse of bigger triangle. Hypotenuse of bigger triangle is CB. CA divided by CB is equal to the base of smaller triangle CD divided by the base of bigger triangle, that is CA. CD divided by CA. Cross multiplying CA into CA square. CB into CD into CD. Hence, right. 15th question. The question says there is one vertical pole. Vertical means what? The angle is 90 degree. Correct? The pole is making 90 degree angle to the ground, which is having the height of 6 meter and which casts the shadow length 4 meter. At the same time, the sun rays are falling on a vertical tower. Vertical tower means what? The angle is 90 degree, which casts a shadow of 28 meter. What we need to find out? We need to find out the height of the tower. We know that at the same time the angle produced by the shadow and the tip of the tower or vertical pole is equal. The angles produced by the shadow and the line joining the points joining the line R and P, C and B, making an equal angle at the same time. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಎರಡು ಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. Understood? Look here. Given they are vertical poles and towers. They are vertical pole and tower. Therefore, angle produced by them from their foot to the ground equal to 90 degree. That means angle ABC equal to angle PQR. Correct? We know that at the same time the angle produced by shadow tip to the tip of the substance or the material are equal. Look here, the angle produced by the tip of the shadow to the tip of the substance are always equal. That means angle ACB is equal to angle PRQ. Therefore, by AA similarity criterion, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Correct? By CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangle, AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. What is AB value? 6. What is PQ value? Question mark or X. Okay. Next, what is BC value? 4. QR 28. 4 ones are 4 sevens are. X divided by 6 divided by X is equal to 1 divided by 7. Cross multiplying 7 6 are 42. 42 is equal to X into 1 X. Therefore, X is equal to 42 meter. Therefore, height of tower is equal to 42 meter. This is the solution. 16th question. In the given question, they have given ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and they have also given AD and PM are medians. That means AD bisect BC into two halves. What is the meaning of median? AD is making BC into two equal parts. BD is equal to DC and QM is equal to EMR, because PM is the median. What is the meaning of median? It will cut the other side into two equal parts. Okay. Then what we need to prove? AB divided by PQ. Then AD divided by PM. Correct? First of all, in the proof, what we need to write? There are two triangles. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. That means corresponding angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle Q. Then AB divided by PQ. AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. AC divided by PR. Correct? Because these two triangles are similar. Triangles are similar, nothing but what? Corresponding angles are equal, and also corresponding sides are in equal ratio or proportion. Correct? Okay. What is the thing what we need to prove here? AB divided by PQ. Where is AB? AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PM. That means what we need to consider? Triangle ABD and also triangle PQM. Consider triangle ABD and triangle PQM. M. In triangle ABD, angle B is equal to, in triangle PQM, angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q, because from equation number 1. Then AB divided by PQ. Yes or no? AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR. Multiply and divide. Multiply and divide by 1/2 to the RHS side. Multiply and divide by 1/2. AB divided by PQ is equal to half of BC divided by half of QR. AB divided by PQ is equal to, what is half of BC? BD. Yes or no? In triangle ABD, half of BC is equal to BD. BD divided by PM. Correct? Half of QR. QM. QM. Half of QR is QM. Therefore, from triangle ABD and PQM, angle B is equal to angle Q. AB divided by PQ, then BD divided by QM. Correct? AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Side angle side. Side angle side by SAS. By SAS, similarity criterion, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. By CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangle. By CPST, what we can write here? AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PM. AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PM. Hence rule. Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಏನದಿಲ್ಲಿ